Hey guys, welcome back to VL Infotech. Today in this video, we'll see the concept of subset and superset in sets. So let's get started. First, we will see what is subset. All values from a set should be present in another set. For example, x is a variable which contains 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and y is a variable which contains set of elements 20, 40, 60, 80, and p is a variable which contains 10 and 20 as the elements. Now, print p dot is subset of x. Now we are checking all the elements present in p are present in x or not. If all the elements present in P are present in X, then E subset will give true. If all the elements present in P are not there in X, then we'll get false. Here E subset will check whether the elements of one set is present in another set or not. If elements present, it will give true. If elements not present, will give false as the output, just a boolean value, false, true. It will give that only. Now, print p dot is subset of y. Now, here it is checking if all the elements present in p are present in y or not. If all the elements present in p are present in y, then it will give true. If all the elements present in p not there in y, then it will give false. I hope everyone clear with this. Now we will see practically. Copy this code and open a notepad and paste the code. Now we need to save the file. So click on file, click on save as. Now we can give any file name. Like here I am giving sub.py. We need to save the Python file with the extension .py. So file name .py. Now click on save. Yeah, file is saved. Now we need to execute this Python program by using command prompt. So click here and type cmd. Now cd space desktop, enter, dictionary, enter. Now sub.py. Here file name .py which we have saved just now. Now enter. Yeah, we got the output. Copy this output and paste here. Now we will see the code line by line. This line of code contains some values, and this line of code contains y values, and this line of code contains p values. Now we are checking p is a subset of x. So we got true. Here p contains 10, 20, and x also contains 10, 20, 30, 40. All the values present in p are present in x. So we got true. So p is a subset of x, and print p dot is subset of y. So here p contains 10, 20, but y does not contain 10. It contains 20, 40, 60, 80. It contains only 20 element. It is not containing 10 element. So we got output as a false. Here p contains 10, 20, right? All the elements should be present in y. Then only it is a subset of y. So we got false. In this way, we need to check whether all the elements is present in P or present in X or not. I hope everyone clear with this. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Now we will see the concept of superset. If P set is a part of X set, then X is superset of P. Like for example, here P contains 10, 20, right? Here X contains 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Here P contains 10, 20, and X also contains 10 and 20. Then here X is the superset of P. I hope everyone get this. If P set is a part of X set, then 20 is a part of X, right? So here X is a superset of P. We need to check print X dot is superset of P. Now we will see this code. Copy this and paste here. Now we will see this practically. Open command prompt and give the file name .py, enter true. See, all the elements which are present in X are present in Y. So here X is the superset of P. Print X dot superset of P is true. We got true as the value. And here X equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and Y equal to 20, 40, 60, 80. Here print X dot intersection of Y is subset X dot union of Y. Why I am writing this is we can do intersection, union, is subset all together in one line. We can do intersection like this, union like this, and after that we can check is subset or not. We can do all these operations in a single line like this. So then we got output as true. Now we will see this code practically. X equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, right? And Y equal to 20, 40, 60, 80. Now print X dot intersection of Y dot is subset X dot difference of Y. Now copy this code and paste in the notepad and save. Now open command prompt. Now type the file name .py, enter. See, we got false. Answer is false. Intersection will give common values. Difference will give, it will remove the common values and it will print the remaining values. So both values are different. Here we will get common values by using intersection, and by using difference we will get uncommon values. It will remove common values and it will give uncommon values. So here common values dot is subset non-common values. So it is not a subset. To become a subset, it should be it should contain all these elements in this. So here common values is dot is subset non-common values. So we got output as false. I hope everyone clear with this. If you have any questions, please comment down below. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding, keep learning.